Hey guys, this is my review on the WD-40 multi-use product. The WD-40 has undoubtedly become an essential part of my household. One of the standout features of the WD-40 is its ability to lubricate almost anything that moves, like squeaky hinges, stubborn wheels, chains, gears, and so on. This wonder spray gets the job done effortlessly. I've witnessed a noticeable improvement in the smoothness and efficiency of my various mechanical components after applying this lubricant. It's truly a top-notch product. Another aspect that has impressed me is its ability to protect against rust and corrosion. My sporting equipment are no longer open to the damaging effects of moisture and time. Even in humid environments, WD-40 forms a barrier, keeping everything in great condition for years to come. Beyond its role as a lubricant and rust protector, the WD-40 has proven itself as an effective cleaner. It dissolves these unwanted substances without any effort, leaving behind a clean surface. In conclusion, the WD-40 multi-use product has become an indispensable tool. That's why I recommend it to everybody. It's the ultimate problem solver that never disappoints. Thank you so much.